Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change password on the Instagram application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Instagram application. Then you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on it, and then you can see three lines on the top right corner, so click on it, and then click on account center. So after this you can see password and security. So here you can see the options of change password, so click on change password. So here you can see I want to change a password of my Instagram, so that's why I click on Instagram. So here write the current password. So after writing the current password, so choose another password. So after this, rewrite your new password. So after this, click on change password. So here wait some second. So you can see password is changed. So guys, in this way you can change password on the Instagram application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.